All right, how's it going? Look, not going to keep you long today. Going to make a very simple chicken avocado salad, no mayo, beautiful stuff in there, very simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the two main ingredients we have here is chicken and avocado. So I've got about 3 cups of cooked chicken there. I just boiled that chicken with salt and lemon and then, took it off the bone. Here I've got my avocado, so roughly about the same amount. I mean, there's slightly less avo there. And then you can add kind of what you want. What I'm going with today is 1 cup of green onions, spring onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. Half a cup bell peppers, celery, cucumber. 2 tablespoons of a hot pepper sauce. I always like to use Encona. I love that one, but you can use like Tabasco or something like that, or your favorite one. Lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, try and use a nice quality olive oil. This is a beautiful Syrian olive oil that I've got. There's about 4 tablespoons there, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of chopped cilantro, and a tiny amount of garlic, like a teaspoon. But think about adding other stuff. You could add cheese to this, you could add, just other vegetables, tomatoes, things like that. Up to you, very simply, mix it. So you can see that I've got my avocado and my chicken in. There goes the green onion, the celery, the bell peppers, the cucumber, all cut nice and small. Tiny amount of garlic, tiny. Bit of salt and pepper to taste, about half a teaspoon for that amount. Hot pepper sauce, like I say, optional, but love that in there. Cilantro or coriander, again, whatever you call that. And then we're gonna go lemon juice, quality olive oil, and that really is delicious, this oil. I really love it. Simply gonna give that a mix. Job done, easy as can be. And there you go, simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.